This is a CAT6 wall jack socket. So easy to install, very convenient. Network cable is secured. It can extend the lifespan of your Ethernet cable by keeping it safe and secured. It will also look clean and neat, minimizing the external exposure of the LAN wires. It is very convenient to use. Just plug your short LAN cable from the wall RJ45 jack into your PC or laptop. You can place this in all rooms, living room, and even in the study areas. Please keep on watching to learn how to install it and also how to use it. It's easy and very convenient. Please keep on watching and see for yourself on how to connect it by yourself without the need of any third technicians to do it for you. Thank you.